Hey, this is Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be making for you a mustard fried fish recipe right after this. Alright, first thing, let's go over the ingredients. We're going to have yellow mustard, boneless whiting fillets, cornmeal, all-purpose flour, cooking oil of your choice, salt and pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, ground cayenne, onion powder, garlic powder, and of course I'm using my trusty cast iron. Alright, so we just put the flour and cornmeal in a bowl, and now we're adding all our seasonings. Alright, once you have all your ingredients in the bowl, you just want to make sure everything is mixed nice and well. Alright, now you're going to take your fish, you're going to put the mustard on it, and just make sure you mix the mustard to make sure all the fish is coated with the mustard. And you're not really marinating in the mustard, you're just going to let it just coat the fish with the mustard. Now you're going to take your fish and you're going to dredge it in your flour and cornmeal mix. So now we're getting ready to start frying the fish. Make sure your grease is at least 350 degrees. Alright, so you want to place the fish in there, skin side down, and make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. Alright, as you can see, I turned the fish, and this is pretty much ready to start coming out. You want to get everything nice and golden brown. Alright, so now I'm starting to pull out my fish. I have a pan with a piece of paper towel, a couple of pieces of paper towel on it just to let the fish drain. Or you can just use a drain pan or whatever you have to let the fish sit on. But you want to let the oil drip off the fish. You don't want to just put it on something and let the fish sit in the oil. Alright, the fish is all done. Nice crust, nice golden brown. So once again, thanks for checking out this recipe, mustard fried fish. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm still trying to get to my first 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate the support. Make sure you give a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. Alright? And let me know of more recipes that you want me to make. God bless. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Oh, and check me out on Instagram as well. Peace.